Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Today we're showing you a sleek, brand new, modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and join us as we begin this tour. This property has a total floor area of about 383 square meters and a lot area of 280 square meters with a carport area for 3 vehicles. It has a grand feel because of the high ceiling space right here, and you can walk all around the house with a landscape area to your left. But now let's head on over towards your main entry. The ground level is elevated from street level. There's no flooding in the area, but it just gives you a nice vantage point over the street. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you already have a hallway leading towards your staircase towards the second level. But what's nice is it has such a considerable height that it feels so open, and it leads you towards your grand living space with that double height ceiling. The height is further accentuated by that modern light fixture. You also have a nice area here where you can have your living room set, and you have a view of the landscape area around the corner of the property. And from this angle, you can appreciate the open concept plan for your living and dining space. You have a modern light fixture here which matches the one over the living space, and you can have a large table here, even up to 10 people. Now, you have a beautiful modern kitchen on this side. The light fixtures over a 2-level countertop. You also have outlets right here, storage, and the kitchen appliances are already included from your cooktop, range hood, and your refrigerator, as well as your oven and microwave. You even have a nice coffee nook space on this side, and an auxiliary space right here. Plenty of pantry storage and access towards the side of the house. Your patio space can be accessed through your dining area, and you can walk all around the house, and you have a tree here at the corner of the property just to give you additional shade. Okay, let's head on in. Now we're back here in your main amenity space. Even the area underneath the stairs can be maximized for additional storage. You have your powder room right here upon entering the property. And right beside the main door, you have your first room. I would consider this more of a multi-purpose room. Due to the size, this would make for an excellent home office. It already has a split-type air conditioning unit, and the ceiling height makes up for the size of the room. It also has a ceiling fan, and you have a nice view of the front of the property. If you want to maximize this as a bedroom, it already has an ensuite bathroom with a shower area. Welcome to the second level, and what's noticeable here is the ceiling height once again. In addition, you have this wide hallway giving you access to the 4 bedrooms in the property. And they all have a great view of your staircase and living area. Now, let's begin by taking a look at the primary bedroom right here. It's a corner room positioned at the front of the property. You have a ceiling fan and a split type air conditioning unit already included here. You have a gray wooden design for the flooring. Easy to match furniture whether you're using earth tones, light colored or dark colored furniture. And right here you have your walk-in closet space, completely separate from the bathroom area with a dresser space already. And I'm gonna walk in so you see the size of the primary bathroom. What I want to point out here is that ceiling height and the windows giving you a lot of natural ventilation for the room. And this primary bedroom also comes with its own balcony. This is significant in terms of the size. You can have a table and a couple of chairs right here as a nice addition to your primary bedroom. Now let's take a look at the third room here. Now, you once again have that cove lighting, ceiling fan. You can have your bed right here, potentially even a double bed, and then the television on the other side. And then you have a nice area right here with storage. Of course, you have your aircon there and natural ventilation. And your ensuite bathroom. With a modern black matte finish for the fixtures. You already have the remote control for the fan right here. In Tagalog, the hallway feels very maaliwalas and you don't feel cramped at all. It has such a nice feel as you go in and out of the rooms. Now here we have your fourth room. Now it has a similar layout. Basically the layout of the rooms is a rectangular shape, and then you have the bathroom on one corner, and then one half of the room is dedicated to the bed, and then you have your storage on the other side and the window. Okay. Let's take a quick look here. Very straightforward design, but I like that even the bathrooms of the other bedrooms still share that ceiling height. And here we have your fifth room. Now this has a significant size difference from the other two rooms. You can easily have a queen-sized bed right here. It's also a corner room. You once again have the built-in storage right here and the split-type air conditioning unit. And then on this side, you have your ensuite bathroom. I would say that the room sizes are still significant because you can fit at the very least a double bed in each one here in the second level. Here's another view of your wide second level hallway, and that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, I'm Jake Bautista, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.